Go underarm.
Underarm?
Look how close you are.
Right. Go. Bro, you're wasting my food. In the kitchen, I'm not the best of cooks. No? It's not working, is it? I'm trying to cook a meal for the whole family. And to make sure things go smoothly, I've ordered a HelloFresh box.
Do you know what you've actually bought this time?
Yeah, I do.
All right, tell me what you've ordered.
Oh, just give me the menu.
Yeah. Today, my old man is cooking up a ginger and garlic tofu stew.
I'm flexitarian. I love cooking veggie.
I want my dad to prove to me that veggie can be as good.
Ginger and garlic.
Tofu.
Tofu.
Tofu. Don't.
I always thought it was tofu. Roman thinks it's tofu.
It's never been tofu. Oh, you got your spinach, lovely. There's your tofu. So you got it. I've got to say, I'm very impressed about how fresh this all looks.
Oh, amazing.
All of the ingredients are portioned out so you don't waste anything. There's pictures, he can follow the recipe step by step, so he doesn't have to worry. What are you looking for? Number 2.
Yeah,
Done 1, now 2.
Right, here we go.
Right, cooking tools you'll need. You've got cutting board, knife, baking tray, frying pan, bowl, garlic press, zester.
Bro, you're putting pressure on me.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, I'll grab a knife, you do some. Look, I'm cooking it.
What was like the first fancy meal you can remember making?
Spaghetti bolognese. My mum and dad would only ever cook meat and 2 veg.
Can you stop saying it as meat and 2 veg?
That's your brain that's doing that, bro, making it rude. It's not.
They give you a little tip. Use 2 baking trays if necessary. You want the potatoes nicely spread out.
Why didn't you read that earlier then?
Oh, I'll tell you what, it's not looking bad. And that is perfect.
Oh man, it's delicious.
Yeah, let's dish it up. Come on, hurry up.
I am.
The lime zest.
I don't want to give him too much credit, but he smacked that one out of the park.
What are you doing? That's Mum's. What do you mean?
Well, where's mine?
Serve yourself. Cheryl, dinner's ready. Why not dish up something delicious for your family?
Click the blue button below for your special discount.